Hello everyone, this is Russell KD9FAL. I'm going to give you a overview of what's in my handheld radio kit here. So it's just a toolbox from Walmart. Over here, if we look in, we have different connectors, in connectors to PL259. There's two barrel connectors in there. We have some SMA connectors, SMA to PL259. There's a UHF VHF antenna, and I also have a 2.5 millimeter connector. That there is a frequency counter and just some batteries for it in there. Over on this side here, some electrical tape, extra belt clips. These are some earpieces, dust covers, and extra pieces for my XTS 5000. We open it up here. On the top, I try to carry all my extra batteries that I would most likely be using. We also have a small toolkit there if I need to do anything. Almost here. There. Extra battery for XTS 5000. Whole bunch of different antennas in there. Some brand new in a package. That's a 220 antenna there. A bunch of dual bands, a tri-band, dual band. Batteries for my VX, or Yaesu FT50R and VX10s. Then extra batteries for Retevis RT82, I believe it is. That's why. It will stay open. Let's move it. Alright, if we open it up, inside we have a whole bunch of handhelds. There's some Zastones V77s. Them are UHF. Some Art Shells AR6 UHF, I believe. There's a it's falling on me. We have a Retevis RT, let's say, 54. Motorola PR400. They're both UHF 16 channel. Baofeng UV82. There's Wuxon UV3D, I believe. No, KG UV1 UVD1T. There's a RT82 in there. Over here, UV5R, UV5R. Then two of these are VX10s VHF, and the other one's a FT50R. So that's what I have in the top. If we go down to the front here, just pull it out, close this top here. Just a whole bunch of different stuff, switches, wires, batteries, screws and stuff I might possibly need, utility tool, alligator clips, whole bunch of fuses, extra battery for a radio that I don't have in here. There is also a in connector. Not sure what that is, but somehow I got it. That's all that's in the top. We'll come back real quick for the bottom. Alrighty, here's the bottom part of it. Just a whole bunch of extra stuff. So we have a listen-only earpiece, the microphones for the UV82s, earpiece for the XTS 5000s, just a Kenwood earpiece. Who knows when you'll need this many? Probably never, but I've used them for other events, and that's why I have all this equipment. Radio holster. It always helps when you don't have a belt clip on your radio, or if you need multiple radios and you don't want to weigh your pants down. Earpiece for the Yaesus and Vertex. This is actually a repeater cable. Hook two bow things up to it or whatever, and you can make a repeater out of it, a crossband, or if you need to, in-band repeater. Another earpiece. I use all these for, used to use them for school. The UV82 earpiece. Here's an extra charger for one of my radios. A vest. Who knows when you need a vest. That's just webbing. Here we have a chest harness. X-Fire chest harness. I really like this actually. You have room for 2 radios, and then in the center you have room for notepad or whatever. And on the back you have a pouch there for whatever you need to put in there, whether it be a notepad or some. There's a first aid kit in there with a notepad. So it's just whatever you need in there. That is all that I have in this box here, so stay tuned and we'll show you what we have in our another case. So 73s.